guys, welcome back. Right, today I'm in my living room and I've got a handy tip for you today. I know that I make creations and things all like that, but this will sort of solve everyone's problem. Now, I decorated this room about 10 years ago and I absolutely love it. And the furniture is 10 years ago. And we bought a beautiful leather sofa, which has held up well considering we've got 2 kids and a husband and obviously me, and that we always use it. So this is the problem that I have and probably many of you also have. Now this side of the sofa is fine, but this side of the sofa is where everyone sits. Anyone who wants to watch the TV, the husband comes in, sits here, the kids come in, sits here. If I want to watch anything, I sit here. So as you can see, I sit here like this. When I move to this bit, I sink. So this is the problem I'm actually going to solve today. So if your sofa is sagging like this, and this one's a leather one, then keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. Right, first of all is that we need a clear space. So I'm going to take some of the bits of the furniture out the room. We're going to turn the sofa upside down so we can access the bottom of it. Job done. Right, so now we've turned it over and now we can actually see what's holding everything all together. So on this one, I've got some legs that can be taken off, but if your feet can't be taken off of your sofa, then you can just use a Stanley knife and just cut round the edges because there is wood round there. You can always staple the fabric back on. So I'm just going to take the feet off mine. So that's the legs taken off, and now you've just got all these staples that are in here. Now there's many different ways on how you can take this out. It all depends what you've got at home, but you can actually buy actual stapler, not stapler, but these are the ones that take them out. So you can use that. You can actually use a knife and just go underneath and you can prise them out like that. Or you can use a little screwdriver and you can just underneath and you can pull them out too. But there probably is an instrument to actually take the staples out, but I'm just using the things what I've got at home. So once they're out like that, just use your pliers and you take them out. So just do it until you can get actually into the base. So now these are all the staples all taken out. I'm going to open it up to see what we've actually got. And there's no springs, so that's good for us, because if it's springs, I wouldn't really touch them. I'd probably buy a new sofa. I couldn't repair them. Or you could get someone to come in and repair it for you. But this just looks like it's become slack here. So we just need to put something inside there just to make it a bit more plush. I've just found something. I found a knife, a pen, a comb, a lottery ticket. I'll have to check that one. I'll tell you later if I've won. Oh, we got a pencil. Oh my god, we've got lolly sticks. Yeah, I think I may just have to vacuum this little bit out before, but I can't wait to have a look at that one. So what we need for here is just to put something underneath there, and what I've got an old small little pillow, because you don't need anything too much, because otherwise you'd push the sofa out too much and it just wouldn't look right. So I'm just going to use the innard of a pillow, and so I'm going to place that in here like that. So that's the secret. So now when somebody sits on it now, it'll have a bit more resistance so it won't go down. So all we need to do now is staple it back up. Do the same with the other one. Right, so first things first, I didn't win the lottery. Never mind, maybe one day. But my sofas turned out absolutely fantastic. I didn't want to put too much in there because I didn't want it bellowing out. I wanted it still to look as a 10-year-old sofa, but it's got support now. So as you can see, I can sit here and then I can sit there and I'm not sinking anymore. So that's perfect, and hopefully I can have another 10 years out of it. So if you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.